Hello, good morning, my dear students. We have already discussed lines and angles. We have started lines and angles. So, have a very small recap of lines and angles. See, we defined the definition of line which has no end point, line segments which has two end point, and ray which has only one end point. Now, the system in which we measure angle is called sexagesimal system. This system, as you know, metric system has the multiple of 10. Here it is multiple of 60. Means 60 second is equal to 1 minute, 60 minute is equal to 1 hour or 1 degree. Okay, so in this chapter you will know how to convert second to minute and minute to degree, and you can get sum and difference to find the complement and supplementary angle of the given angle. See, we have done this definition: acute angle, that is less than 90 or more than 0 degree; right angle exactly equal to 90; obtuse angle greater than 90 but less than 180 degree; straight line angle, that is 180 degree; reflex, that is more than 180 and less than 360 degree; complete angle, that is equal to 360; complement means a pair of angle whose sum is 90 may be said complementary to each other. In the same way, supplementary angle, where the pair of angles, sum of the pair of the angle is 180 degree. Linear pair of angle, if a ray on the line divides the two angle on a straight line, then this pair of angle is called linear pair and it is supplementary, 180 degree. Collinear points, all the points on the same line. Complete angle, point at angles at a point is called complete, that is equal to 360. We have done maximum number of intersecting points by 3 or more lines. We know angle sum property of any polygon, whether it is 180 for triangle or quadrilateral, 360, and all the remaining polygon has exterior angle sum property, that is equal to only 360 degree. But interior angle increased if you add one side to the polygon, 180 degree will be increased. So it's a very simple formula to find the interior angle sum of a polygon is 180 into n minus 2. Suppose there is a pentagon, then you can form three different triangles, and 183 is a 540. Okay, now coming to the question of lines and angles. See, we will learn, we will see how to find the angles if the given figure is there. See, all my dear class 9 students, let's see this. We have known about all the types of angles, vertical opposite angles, and I always suggest my dear student that never miss a single example. Okay, now we are starting exercise 6.1. See, question number 1. It is given that angle AOC plus angle BOE is equal to 70 degree. AOC, AONC, this angle. BOE, this angle. And sum of these two angles is 70 degree. BOSD is 40 degree. Find BOE. BOE. Okay, see, if BOD is 40 degree, then AOC will also be 40 degree. Why? Because of sub vertical opposite angle. Angle BOD is equal to angle AOC is equal to 40 degree, क्योंकि ये हो गया आपका वर्टिकल अपोजिट एंगल. एक तो क्लियर हो गया. तो आपके पास AOC 40 डिग्री है and given is AOC plus angle BOE is equal to 70 degree. 40 plus angle BOE is equal to 70 degree. So what is the value of angle BOE? 70 degree minus 40 degree is equal to 30 degree. Clear? Now, reflex of COE. If this is 30 degree, then what is the value of the third angle? Or you know that straight line angle where the sum of all these three angle will be 180. So finding angle COE means subtracting the given two angle, that is 40 plus 30 70 degree from 180, result in 110 degree. Okay, so angle COE is 110 degree. And reflex of COE means reflex, when we are doing finding the reflex of any angle, the reflex of angle COE means 360 degree minus angle COE. Okay, to find the reflex we subtract the angle with 360, and this is 110, so the result will be 250 degree. This is the answer of the first question. Clear? Now coming to the question number 3. The question is PRQ and PQR are equal, means these two angles are equal, and we have to prove that PQS and PRT, these two should be equal. Okay, as you know that these two angle form, let it be Y and let it be Z. But what actually we are seeing, that this is the supplementary angle of X, because X and Y forms linear pair, X and Z forms linear pair. Here X plus Y is equal to X plus Z is equal to 180 डिग्री, क्योंकि क्या हमें पता है, linear pair of angles are supplementary, are supplementary. So from the above equation we can say Y is equal to Z, or you can name the angle, that is PQS and PRT. Angle PQS is equal to angle PRT. Proof. Clear? So in the same way we can solve all the remaining questions, and you will find it very easy while solving. But if you learn all the properties, then it will be very useful. If you do not learn, it will not be so much helpful. Now coming to question number 4. See, X plus Y is equal to W plus Z. You can see here X and Y, these two angles are on the straight line. You can say X plus Y is equal to 180 degree because linear pair of angles. Similarly, W plus Z, this also is formed on a straight line. So W plus Z is also 180 degree. It is also linear pair of angle. Taking it as 1 and this is as 2, and from 1 and 2, we can say that X plus Y is equal to W plus Z. So you can see that X plus Y is also equal to 180 degree, W plus Z is also equal to 180 degree. So here 180 degree is common, so you can directly say that these two angles will be equal, and already it is given that linear pair of angles are supplementary and this forms the linear pair of angles. So that is why this is true and this is proved. तो बच्चों, ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट, टेक केयर, ध्यान रखो और एक एक करके क्वेश्चन बनाओ. ओके, बाय, गुड लक, गॉड ब्लेस, टेक केयर.